I am going to show you how to get more views on YouTube. This thing I'm about to show you now, most creators are hiding it from you. They don't want to talk about it. I want to show you so you will see. I bet you this is what you have not heard before. I don't know if you're getting my point. So I am with my phone and I'm going to show you everything in practical. What I normally advise you is make sure that your content is good. Your content first. Because these views we are talking about are human beings. Views is just numbers. But number of what? Number of people. Amount of people that are viewing your videos, that are watching your contents, that is what we now transform to views. So anytime you hear views, think about audience, human being first. If you're not getting views, it means that some things are wrong. And how do you figure it out? By asking yourself, why are people not watching my videos? Are you getting my point? So if you make an appealing content, then you do this thing now that I'm about to show you. You will see how your views will skyrocket. If after watching this video and you didn't get any value, don't subscribe to my channel. Now let us go straight to the video. So let me show you something inside my creator studio now. So let me go to content. This is content. So this is the highest viewed video on my channel for now. This video has gotten 70,000 views. So why I want to show you this thing is because today that I'm talking about how to get views, I also want to show you how to track your views and know your video that is performing very well. Take a look at this thing inside my creator studio. Now, if you watch, you will see the rows here ranking by views 1 of 10. I want to tell you the meaning of all these things so that if you see it, you can just know the video that is doing well and the one that is not doing well, or the one that will not do well. Ranking by views. This 1 of 10 means that the rank of that particular video that you posted, compared to your 10 previous posts. This video now is number 1 to compare to the 10 previous posts before the video. This place they wrote impression click-through rate. It means the percentage at which people click the video whenever the thumbnail is shown to them on YouTube. Are you seeing it? Then this one, the last one, is the average view duration. So anytime you post a video and you discovered that the 3 arrows are pointing up, just know that that video is doing well. The first arrow is the view arrow. If it's pointing up, it means that people are watching the video. The second arrow is the impression click-through rate. If it's pointing up, it means that people are clicking the video. More people are clicking the video. Then if average view duration is pointing up, it means that people are watching the video for long. So these 3 things will help YouTube to push that video. Now, let me open the video very well. Are you seeing the main arrow inside this particular chart? Are you seeing the way it's just pointing? It's not going up, down, up, down. It just means that since I posted the video, it has been going up. And this is the view of that video. So this thing I just showed you now is for you to know exactly how to track your views and to know your video that is doing well and the one that is not doing well. So now let me show you what you are now going to do if you want your video to do well. This thing now is what other big creators are using to get views on their channel, and I'm going to show you if you apply the same thing on your own video, that thing that is pushing their video will equally push your own. Now let me show you. So if you watch this video to this extent, congratulations to you. So now look at this app here. Look at this app. It is called Tag You. So if you download this app, you open this app. If you open this app, you will see that there are a lot of features in this app. There are things that this app can help you do, in terms of your video ranking. But there is an interesting part of it that I want to show you. That is an interesting part of this app that I want to show you. Let me go to YouTube now. Let me go to YouTube. This is YouTube. I've opened my YouTube. Now let me click on search. Let's say I search my channel, Jazi Studioz. Just watch and see what will happen now. This is my channel. So let me click on this particular video. This how to grow on YouTube. I click on it, these 3 dots here. I click on share. Then I copy the link of the video. Watch what is going to happen now. I click the link of the video. I come to this place, they wrote get tags from URL. I click on it. I paste the link of that my video. Click on check. Look at what will happen here now. Are you seeing what's happened here now? I have to use my video to show you first. These are the secret tags that are inside my channel that nobody else is seeing apart from me. Are you getting me? But I use this app to get the tag. So now, anytime you see a video that is doing big numbers on YouTube, millions of views, 800k views, and you notice that that is the same niche that you are into, you can just go and check the tags of that video, the tags that person used that is making that video to rank. You can check it. Use the exact same tag and apply in your videos, and you will see your videos will do well. But make sure your content is okay first, because even if YouTube is pushing your video but it's not appealing to people, they will not watch. So if you have a good content, you can use this method. You can use this method that I just showed you now to make your video to rank. Let me show you another one. Let it not be as if it's just one example. Let me show you another one so you'll be very sure. Now, which niche is doing well? Okay, let's use cooking niche as an example. Let me write something like homemade homemade donuts. They brought donuts. Okay, let me use homemade donuts. Okay, look at this one. Look at the way this one is looking. I click on copy. I copy the link of this one. I go to the app. I paste. Look at the tags the person used. When you look at this tag, you will know that anybody that is doing well on YouTube is intentional. You don't just do videos and posts and expect YouTube to push it. They will not push it. You have to be intentional. Your title, your description, your tags, your thumbnail, everything has to be. Now watch. Look at the title. Donuts recipe. Homemade donuts. Homemade donuts. How to make donuts. Donut recipe testing. Are you seeing the tags? Now let us see how many views this video had. 11 million views. Are you see? So the time I did not even check the views before I copied it, but the thumbnail attracted me. Are you getting my points? Look at the title. Donut recipe. Homemade donut recipe. That is the title. Now look at the thumbnail. The thumbnail attracted me. Now this tag is now helping it to rank. If you have a good video and attractive thumbnail, you can use this method now and now tag your video very well so that it will rank. YouTube is the biggest search engine in the whole world. So they work with search and recommendation. So this thing now is going to help your video to rank. Let us test another one. I know why I'm showing you these things. Let's check Folktales because he's doing well now. Let's check Folktales. Okay. Let me check the one that has big views. Okay, look at this one. Let me check this one that have 800k views. Are you seeing the tags? Are you seeing their tags? African folktales, African folktale stories, So these are the tags the person use, for it to make this video to rank. So there are many things this app can help you do. So now let's assume you made the video but you don't know the right tag to put on it. You can just come this place, the road suggest keyword, and type. Let's assume you made a cooking video. You can write how to cook jollof rice. Now all these things here, how to cook jollof rice, how to cook jollof rice at home, all these things are what people are searching. You can use this thing as your tag and you see your video will rank. Tag is very, very important when it comes to video. Your title, your thumbnail, your description, everything can be good, but if you put inappropriate tag, it's going to make YouTube to send the video to a wrong direction. Like I said, congratulations to you once again. So go ahead and use this feature and come back and tell me what you experienced. So ever since I started using this thing to tag my videos has been doing well, and you can see it for yourself. This channel is not even up to 3 months, that we started posting consistently. So I appreciate you and I appreciate all the support and all the love that you are giving me. Please, if you find any value from my contents, do well to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends so they will equally learn and know the best way to grow their channel on YouTube. I have a class where I teach people how to grow on YouTube. I'll teach you YouTube like an 8-year-old baby. You will understand this first and see that growing on YouTube is not actually hard like that. I don't know if you're getting me. So if you're interested, you can check my channel description. You will see my Gmail. Just email me so that I can add you to the class immediately. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.